Today is day 53, and the puppies are playing in their inside X-pen. I've got this one out on the porch, going into their water bucket. They were going crazy with a tunnel. They've really come a long way since the last time I took video. See if I'm in the middle of cooking dinner, but I'll see if I can't get them a little closer. Hey, puppies. Hey, puppies. Hey. That's Caleb. And that is Caden. And Katerina. This quiet one chewing up the newspaper. No, I guess that's Callista. That was Callista. And Katerina, who usually is a troublemaker, is over here. Oh yeah. They love to swim in the water bowl, so I can't put a whole lot of water in it. Hey, little boy. Hey, little girl. Oops, they're off and running. I've got a double X-pen outside so that they can really run. And they've been taking walks in the woods, 2 at a time. They're still learning to stay out from under my feet. 4 of them would just be too many to keep track of. Hey. Hey, Callista. You're cute. Yes, you are cute. Here's Caleb with a chew bone. The gonk. And Katerina. Woohoo. They are full of it tonight. They just finished a big supper. Yeah, you want some more water, huh? Will you drink it or swim in it? Yeah, playing with a gonk. Yeah. Hey guys, what are you doing? Ripping up the newspaper? Nice. Nice. Yeah. What are you doing, huh? You walking over the rubber cushion, huh? The squishy cushion. Doesn't bother anybody. Nope. Whoa. They are full of energy tonight. Yes, they are. Anybody gonna play in the tunnel over here, huh? Anybody gonna play over here in the tunnel, huh? Huh? How about going in the tunnel and coming out, huh? How about going in the tunnel? No? Now that I've got the camera, you're not gonna do it. Hey. Caden. Hey. Hey, Caden. Hey, Caden. Oh, what a good boy. Yes. What a good boy. Hi, Katerina. No, you're Callista. Hi, Callista. Hey. Hey, how are you, huh? Hey, Caleb. Hey, oh, you're a sweetie. Yes, you are. Katerina. Katerina. Will you look up here with your pretty face, huh? Hi. Hi, Katerina. You playing in that tunnel? Huh? You playing with the tunnel? Huh? Oh, you're waiting for breakfast. That's what you're doing. Is waiting for breakfast, huh? Yeah, all of you. All of you. I see you waiting for breakfast. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay.